Hello friends and neighbors. If you have a weed eater that starts up, doesn't have any power, kind of bogs down when you rivet up, let me show you something that probably take care of your problem. Today we're working on the Stihl FS56RC, and the way you want to do this little cover is right here. This is your air breather cover. You got one little Torx right here where my finger's at. Take it off, this cover pops off. Here's your air breather. You can clean off your air breather. Just clean this off real good. Then you got the cover on the back. This cover right here is held on by 3 Torx. 1, 2, and 3 by my thumb. Take those 3 Torx off and this thing just pops right off there. Once you pop it off, you can take your flathead and take out this one little screw right here that's holding your spark resistor in. Take out that screw. It's going to look just like this little black one right here. You get it out, grab your pair of pliers, reach in, pull out your spark resistor, and when you pull it out, it should not look like this. See how you can't see through it? If your spark resistor is looking like this, get your little handheld torch and clean it off, and I'll be back in just a minute. So fire up your little torch and just burn all that carbon deposits off this thing. And just keep on heating it up till you get it nice and red and cleaned out. Shouldn't take too long. Once you get all that carbon burn off of there, then you're going to be able to see through your screen like this. See how you can see clearly through it? And just put her back in there. Slide her right back into there. And then replace the little screw that holds this resistor in. Once you snug that up good and tight, and you're just going to put your cover right back on. Just pops right back in place, and then you're going to tighten up this Torx, and this Torx. And put your breather cover back on like that. Tighten up this Torx. Start it up and give it a try. So generally this is a fix for when it starts and won't rev up, or dies when you try to rev it up, or has very low power while it's running. Let's give it a crank now and see how it does. And running good as new. Give it a try. Maybe it'll fix yours.